You can easily fix the P0105 engine code by replacing the MAP sensor. It indicates a malfunction in the MAP or baro sensor circuit, indicating a problem with the sensor itself, its wiring or related vacuum lines. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. The Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, or MAP sensor, works with intake air pressure to define proper air and fuel quantities required for the ignition cylinders. It is located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. A faulty MAP sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. So here is the practical solution to fix the P0105 error code at home. The MAP sensor. The MAP sensor is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. First, carefully remove the MAP sensor from the engine. Inspect the MAP sensor for any damage if damages are found. Then replace the MAP sensor when you install a new MAP sensor. Check to make sure the new O-ring is in place and not damaged. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Nissan, Hyundai, Kia, BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.